Hey y'all. So I am just finished shopping. Grabbed a few things. It's raining and waiting on the bus. I did better today a little. Didn't run out. Got my meds and also our job, it is a requirement to get the vaccine. Anywho, just peeking in here. December 1st. I know a lot of you guys are doing Vlogmas, not me. I don't know. I can't vlog every day, guys. I don't even know what to vlog about. But I got me some steak. And a few other things, so I will see y'all when I get home. I love you guys. I hope you are doing well. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Are you Christmas shopping? Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get my normal classic bread. And yep. And what else? Menage a trois. Okay. Yep. Good morning. December 2nd. Vlogging. I don't know. I'm not good at vlogging. You know that, guys. Getting ready for work. Today, I am getting my first dose of the vaccine. Later on today, this afternoon, I am nervous, but I am prayed up. I know that God has covered me. And if it wasn't for that I need a job, I would not be doing this, guys. So y'all pray for me, alright? Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. This is like a nerve thing. My anxiety is under control. And I've been enjoying my breaks thus far. I haven't really break. I still was trying to give you guys some content once a week at least. And visiting all of my fellow YouTubers and some of my favorite YouTube channels and watching a lot of crafting. Met some great people along the line, enjoying it. Anyway, I will be seeing you later. Let me get out of here. I love you guys. I hope you guys are being safe still and blessed. I hope your Thanksgiving was wonderful. Happy holidays to everyone. Kudos to all of my YouTube friends out there doing a daggone thing for Vlogmas. And I will see y'all later on. Hey y'all. So I made my diva a sweater. Yes, Lord. Gotta stay motivated, positive on the streets. Alright. Yes. I know she's gonna like this. Hey, y'all. Hey. Anyway, I'm on my way to go get this vaccination. I'm prayed up. Still a little nervous, but I know God has me covered. So this is something my employer is requiring. So I'm gonna go get it done. I don't know about no boosters though, you know. I didn't want this one. So that's just my feelings. You know, to each his own. I just don't want to, you know, I'm still unsure about this vaccine. I've been doing my research though, and you know, y'all pray for me, because this was a hard decision, because I don't like to be forced to do things, and especially at this time with this situation. You know how I feel about this. I'm doing this because I need my job. I do. I love my life too, and you know, hey, I'm quiet, but I just want y'all to know that, just in case anything happened to me, okay? I want this documented. So, you guys have a blessed day. I don't know if I'm gonna record me getting the vaccine, you know? I don't know. I don't be feeling like that's everybody's business, but the only reason why I'm recording is because, listen, if something happened to me, I want y'all to know. So keep me in prayer as I do you. The phone rings out. It's beautiful out here. It looks beautiful. Love the fall. So I am heading to the vaccination now. But it's beautiful outside. I'm enjoying it. I just like to look at the leaves. Isn't it beautiful out? Hey, my beautiful people. The day after. Day after my injection. Man, let me tell you, it was rough. Had a rough night. I was fine after injection until about 1 or 2 o'clock this morning. My body felt like I got ran over by a truck. I was so weak. Tried to get up this morning to go to work. It wasn't happening. I thought if I get a few more hours of sleep, I was gonna go in late. That didn't work either. So now I came out because I forgot to get some tissue, guys. Yeah, I did. So I am going to the store. I'm still a little sore and achy. Hey, how y'all doing? Happy holidays to you. Thank you. You too, thanks. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna go in here. Just vlogging, came on to tell you. So I was feeling. Vlog day 3. Today is the 3rd, right?
Yep.
Alright. So I'll be chatting with you guys in a little bit. So I'm gonna go get some tissue and then see you later on. Hey, how did you like the soup?
It was very good. Excellent.
It was good. I just had to have him tell you guys for yourself for the stuffed pepper soup. Did you get some?
No, I didn't like the idea of lamb with green peppers.
Oh, you don't like lamb?
No, green peppers. I never tried it, so I don't have like a taste for it.
Ah, see, you gotta live once. You gotta live once. So there you have it, see?
Yeah.
And he's the one who told me about the recipe.
I eat lamb. I like lamb.
Yeah. It was good. So y'all heard it from the horse's mouth. Mr. Dean enjoyed it. So it's getting dark, y'all. Anyway, came back on. Going back in the house. I haven't had anything to eat yet today. So I'm gonna make something light. I don't know yet. And lay down. All right, so y'all be safe out there. You know, it talks about shutting down again. So y'all be safe. Take it easy. All I know is I hope the second dose isn't worse than the first one. Y'all keep me in prayer as I pray for you guys. See you soon. Love you. Stay blessed. Hey guys, so I am finally ready to set up my sublimation printer. I'm using the Hippo ink. Got my press, sublimation paper. Alright, wish me luck. I waited too long already. It's time to get started. So guys, I'm trying to figure this all out now. Okay. It says push it down in the machine. Okay. Alright, y'all. It's in there. Lay down a little bit. Okay. Okay, guys. So as you can see, the ink is full. I think I should put more black ink in there. What y'all think? Yeah. I think I should put more black. But we about to get started and setting the machine up. I'm so excited, guys. So it is initializing right now. So I don't know, y'all. I'm taking it off. It's hot, so be careful. Be careful. Y'all ready to peek and see? Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see that? And it's still a lot of ink on there though. So I could have done better, but this is with copy paper. I'm trying to get that out so y'all can see it. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. To comfort zone. Oh my goodness, I like it. I thought it was on straighter than that, so I gotta be careful with that. You don't see any edges because I cut the paper, as you can see, wiggle like that. But oh yeah, my first sublimation. So I know when I do use the sublimation paper, this is really going to be popping. And I don't know if maybe because I use the inkjet and, you know, copy paper and not just the regular all-purpose copy, chamomile copy paper, if it would have came out different. But it's still subbed, y'all. Okay.